I'm Sam, Samsung, and I'm your local smart fridge. I have so many different applications. Are you running out of food? Order more through Amazon Dash. Do you want to check where your kids are? Find them through the Tile app. Do you want to call your kids an Uber? Use the Uber app. Anytime, I'm there for you. I see everything. Inside your fridge.
Yeah, no, I love to cook. Like, it's just so much fun.
Me too. Like, I just love getting like fresh vegetables and fruits and everything. It's just so amazing.
Yeah. So do you cook?
Yeah, all the time, every day.
Oh, wow, that's really impressive.
Yeah.
Welcome home, Nyhart. It's 7 p.m. Ready to have one of your 18 frozen pizzas?
I thought you loved to cook.
I do, I swear.
Yeah, whatever. I have
Come
to go.
on.
Black Friday. Me too. I want to go to Macy's. I want to go to Nordstrom, Burlington Coat Factory. Is there that sale at Macy's, you know, like 25% off? Do you happen to know?
That's a 25% off coupon. Would you like me to send it to your phone?
That would be amazing. Thank you so much.
Hey, can you send it to me too?
Sent.
Hungry. Do you want to go get some food? I'm down. Let's do it.
You have to pick up your kid at 3 p.m.
You know what? Just send an Uber.
Sent.
Did you finish your homework?
No.
And you're watching TV?
Yeah.
What did I just say? Are you serious? Like, I cannot. I just. My God. Okay, I'm gonna go get some food.
All right.
What are you doing? You can't take away my fridge.